Die geskenk van lewe, eers wankelrig op ons voete en in 'n oogwink groot en sterk genoeg vir die wedloop van ons lewe. Die voorbereiding gebeur soms onwetend, maar die wedloop, dit verg alles van ons. In the preparation of my race, I found my passion, being a businesswoman with a heart for the poor, the needy and the vulnerable, with a purpose to build a bridge between business and community. That is how my business, Pudatso Enterprises, a non-profitable organization, came to life. Social economic development of young orphaned girls is the heartbeat of my purpose, loving and equipping them to become great entrepreneurs, but also real women who knows how to embrace her identity, her environment and her future dreams, to prepare them for their race. Ek hardloop al reeds die wedloop van my lewe, met 'n voorafbepaalde afstand, en met die Here se genade sal ek elke versoeking om handdoek in te gooi, oorkom. When the road looks often way too far, it's not what I have that keeps me going, but who I am. A woman with a brave heart who fears God, with eyes like an eagle who can see what others can't see, also strong and yet vulnerable. A woman with a unique sense of style who enjoys the humorous in life, who keeps my feet on the ground and my face to the sun, who is absolutely committed to my husband and 2 sons, and who is someone that enjoys a well-kept home. In this race, it's learning to bend and not to break, living to give more than we take, dying to live and living to try. Ek loof die Here vir sy raadsplan, vir sy genade en vir die mense wat my liefhet. Ek weet net, it is never the glory, it is never the score. It's not about seeing who is less and who is more. It's not about what you have, it's who you are.